TikTok again. I sent Rihanna a message because I knew that if I sent Rihanna a message, it would get to the app. And my message to Rihanna was, I know for a fact that Christian Global is Jigsaw. And I honestly, in my heart, believe that Lekker
Why is that any of this? What is...
Okay, guys, I've got a question for Auntie Robert.
Literally...
Guys, one at a time, please.
It's like the same, it's repeat, rinse, repeat. Repeat, rinse, repeat.
No,
I've got a question for Auntie Nigel.
I've also got a question. Once you guys are finished, I'll also just ask her a question.
Because you know what? Tonight when I...
The recording page, let's get done.
Thea.
Yes.
Okay, Sonja's busy.
What doctor did when I joined her live.
No, I'm asking you. Am I the recording page? Let's get done.
Hi, Swartkat, wat sê mensie?
No, but I don't even know what recording page it is. I've never even heard of it.
Vir die vrou, antie, wat nie. Dit maak my sommer net heeltemal fok in my kop. Al wat ek wil vra, is ek wil vra, waarom hoe kan jy sê, kom ons sê eerder, hoe kan jy sê, luister mooi, want jy Linda, luister mooi, okay, ek wil vir jou vra, Linda, hoekom en waarom kan jy sê, jy is dokter, weer eens, ons is weer terug na die ander situasie toe, jy onthou ons vorige fight, nie, ons is al weer terug daar, so nou vra ek weer eens vir jou, hoe kan jy sê, jy is haar vriendin, kom ons sê, veronderstel, laat sy was, lekker man, okay, sy was,
Sorry, ek gaan julle nou in die boks.
Okay, jy weet, voor jou Gods heilige siel, okay, laat sy in die kak gaan kom, by nie net een nie, maar die hele paar ander accounts, okay, vir die dinge wat sy kwytraak, weer eens, veronderstel, okay, en jy gaan, beste pal, buddy, old my friend,
Ja, ek is so lief vir haar, ja.
En jy gaan, sê vir almal, en gaan gooi jou sade, jy spoeg mos jou sade, verstaan jy, en jy gaan gee dit water, en jy gaan gee dit toe nou so baie water, dat almal nou fucking dink, dit is die vrou, maar dit is jou beste pel, en jy gaan gooi haar onder 'n bus, hoe kan jy dan sê, dit is jou pel, en
Jackie,
jy
it
voel
wasn't.
so baie,
Ek is sy
maar jy
lullaby.
gooi haar dan onder 'n bus, okay, nou
Okay,
kan jy
lullaby.
antwoord.
Can you stop muting me, please? Can I talk to Lon?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Stage is
So, Lullabelle, you're saying I'm throwing doctor under the bus, right? But you're also in the same breath saying that that page is a disgusting page. Did you not just say that?
Listen, can we stop about the page, whether it's disgusting or not? Can you answer the
So,
question?
Lullabelle, do you understand why I keep angry with pages like that?
Luister gou, I never said a disgusting page. Ek het gesê, jy weet, laat van die dinge wat sy kwytraak, according to jou, wat sy nou is, gaan haar in die moeilikheid bring by 'n hele klomp.
I didn't mean to bring you into trouble.
I never said, luister gou mooi vir my, soos wat ek vir jou gesê het, moet
So you like
asseblief
the
nou,
page. So
jy
do
moet
you
jou
like
groot
the-
ore oopmaak, jy moet vir my luister, jy moet vir my luister.
So do you like the
luister.
Letterman page,
Moenie
Lullabelle?
dinge in my mond sit nie. If I didn't say disgusting,
Lullabelle,
please don't say disgusting things.
I'm just going to ask.
Ons is besig om kak te praat.
Hallo Swartkat, wat sê jy?
Hallo julle. Nee, kyk, jy besig om kak te praat. Nee, Lullabelle, jy moet nie eers vir hierdie fucking vrou 2 minute van jou fucking kans.
I'm going to leave the live. I'm done.
Ja, okay, bye-bye. Okay, tada, tata.
Dennis, dis een
Luister
vraag.
vir my, ek wil graag hê jy moet my vraag antwoord. Jy wat haar beste pel is, en wat so vir haar iets voel. Sou sy dit met jou gedoen het, sou sy die eerste een gewees het, op hierdie app, om te sê, dit is Night Owl. Sou sy.
Exactly.
How can you then say that she's your buddy?
Because I'm a person and I still to this day believe that Dr. 4444 is like a
Exactly. Then why throw her under the bus if
I'm not throwing her under the bus. I'm being honest.
I will not even call you a pal. Jy is disgusting.
Lalabelle, honesty is the best policy, my darling. You've got to learn it. Go and Google it.
Okay.
You are disgusting. Jy's 'n disgrace van 'n vriend.
So being honest, let me also just explain this to the world because it seems like ons is kleuterskoolkindertjies en mense fucking weet nie hoe werk die lewe nie. Honesty, it doesn't mean when someone tells you something or when you have information, true or not, that you go around and tell the world about it and then run around and say, look how honest I am. That's not honesty. If that's what honesty is to you, you've got a very big misperception of honesty and what it means. There's a word for that. That's called, and it is a word in
I called a spade.
Steker, impunity, backstabber, fucking slander.
Sorry, Lalabelle, you and I's issues it's got nothing to.
Sorry, my vriendin Sons wil gou ietsie sê. Sons?
You keep on hating me.
Want jy praat oor almal, jy gee niemand, ons is cowards nie.